Welcome to our exploration of wealth in the coming decade. Imagine a future where your financial dreams become reality. As inflation and artificial intelligence reshape our world, understanding how to build wealth has never been more crucial. This video is your guide to navigating these changes and seizing opportunities before 2030. Whether you're just starting out or refining your strategies, join us on this journey. Let's delve into the transformative power of smart financial decisions. How will you secure your future? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 pathways to prosperity. The first step to achieving future wealth is investing wisely. In a rapidly evolving economic landscape, a diversified investment portfolio is your best ally. Traditional savings can be eroded by inflation, diminishing their value over time. But fear not, technology offers a solution. AI-driven investment tools are revolutionizing finance management, providing insights and guidance once unimaginable. These tools analyze vast data to predict market trends, helping you make informed decisions aligned with your goals. By embracing AI, you can navigate financial complexities with confidence and precision. Remember, smart investments lay the foundation for your wealth-building journey. As you venture further, consider how each piece of advice is interconnected to reaching your aspirations by 2030. Up next, we'll delve into how leveraging AI can propel your wealth strategy to new heights. In today's ever-evolving financial landscape, artificial intelligence is a game-changer. Imagine anticipating market trends and making informed decisions that optimize your financial strategy. AI revolutionizes wealth management and financial planning, from algorithms predicting stock movements to personalized apps managing budgets. By leveraging these tools, you can enhance your wealth strategy, ensuring you stay ahead of economic changes. As AI develops, its applications in personal finance will grow more robust, offering greater opportunities for strategic wealth accumulation. With AI in your corner, the path to financial success becomes clearer and more attainable. Up next, we'll explore how entrepreneurship can further propel you on your journey to wealth by 2030. Entrepreneurship is more than just starting a business, it's a gateway to wealth. Imagine your ideas transforming into thriving enterprises, paving your path to financial freedom. However, entrepreneurship comes with challenges. From initial investments to market competition, the risks are real, but so are the rewards: unlimited growth and autonomy. Today, technology offers unprecedented tools to turn entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Leveraging digital platforms can streamline operations, expand reach, and optimize efficiency. Whether utilizing e-commerce solutions or harnessing data analytics, technology is your ally. Remember, every successful business started with a single idea and commitment to persevere. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and let innovation lead the way. Now, let's explore overcoming economic hurdles to protect your financial future. Stay with us as we delve into the next key strategy for wealth accumulation by 2030. In a world where inflation looms, understanding economic hurdles is vital for protecting your wealth. Inflation isn't just an abstract concept, it's a challenge that can be overcome with the right strategies. By gaining economic literacy, you arm yourself with tools to navigate turbulent financial waters. Recognize that inflation impacts your purchasing power. Without a proactive approach, personal wealth can dwindle. So, diversify your income streams and invest in inflation-resistant assets. Real estate, commodities, and certain stocks can shield against inflation's impact. Moreover, keep educating yourself about the economy. Staying informed enables better decision-making and financial planning. Remember, knowledge is your ally in preserving and growing your wealth amidst economic uncertainty. Now, as you fortify your financial defenses against inflation, let's explore how cultivating a wealth mindset can be the next pivotal step in your journey to financial success. To truly achieve wealth, your mindset plays an indispensable role. It's not just about the numbers in your bank account, but the way you perceive and approach financial success. A wealth-oriented mindset transforms challenges into opportunities, guiding your decisions and actions. Embrace the lifestyle habits of the wealthy, habits that prioritize growth, learning, and strategic risk-taking. Keep your motivation burning bright by setting clear, actionable goals and revisiting them regularly. Remember, focus is key, drown out distractions and maintain your vision on the horizon of 2030. Cultivating this mindset means thinking long-term, understanding that every small step is a stride towards greater prosperity. Let these thoughts and habits shape your journey to financial success. As we transition to our final strategy, remember that these insights are not just tools, but a way to redefine your life's trajectory. Embrace them, and watch your wealth grow. As we conclude our journey, remember these 5 strategies are more than just advice, they're your roadmap to wealth by 2030. From investing wisely and leveraging AI to cultivating a wealth mindset, each step builds a foundation for your financial future. Now is the time to act. Embrace these strategies, adapt them to your life, and watch your financial landscape transform. The power is in your hands. Begin today, and change not just your future, but the legacy you leave behind. Your wealth journey starts now. Take the first step and make it count.